Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can add a thank you page to your Shopify store. So let's get right into it. Now, all your Shopify stores that you make do have a default thank you page, which is called the order confirmation page, which is set by default to all purchases. Whenever a customer fulfills an order, that page will be displayed to them and they can see some additional information. Now, you could change that by going into your settings and going into checkout and scrolling down, and you'll see the order status page, which you can add additional scripts to or use pixels. However, this is only for tracking conversion, so that you have additional analytics. You can't really change the appearance of this. What you can do, however, is you can go into your online store, go into pages and create a new thank you page. As you can see, I already have one, so I'll just skip over the creation part. Then you can go into themes and you can click into customize. Now, once you're customizing your theme, you can access this by creating a new page. You also have your checkout over here if you want to edit that, but you can only set up the checkout page. You can't set up the order confirmation page, and that is because currently my store isn't available to receive orders, and I'm not sure why this is happening. So I'm just going to go back to the home page. It's just making this error from the editor because it's not supporting the URL. So let me just reload the page because this is annoying me very much. There we go. But yeah, you can just go into pages, click create a template, name it whatever you want. I'll make it thank you to. It's based on default page, or you have your thank you page. So I'll just click create template. And now that you have that, it'll create a thank you page here, which you can then edit. Now, you are going to have to go into your page or site code and change the redirect from the default page to this page, but it should be pretty much all you have to do. I'm not really sure how to do that, so I won't try and confuse you guys, but that is all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.